FIB.NQ on the 4.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
FIB.NQ on the 4.
What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrew. Are you ready indeed? Welcome to our ultra low latency stream. If it's your first time with us, it's great to have you. Oh, what's wrong with my video camera there? Hold on a sec. What's that about? 1 second. There we go. Awesome. How about that? Welcome aboard. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. It is about 12 minutes from the US Open. How's everybody doing there this morning? So let's look at the high time frame scenarios here. Let me get to a different view. Where is... It's been a bit. It's been a bit. There we go. Okay, so we got our news feed up top here. It's going to be 10 a.m. consumer sentiments and existing home sales coming out at 10 a.m. A green and a... so we got a low impact and a medium impact there when they're combined there. That's going to be important. FOMC member speaking at 10:25 and then 10:30. So through the entire kind of 10 o'clock hour there's going to be some events that add to the volatility. You get the 5 chart digital reset here. 5 trades as I do approach the video game thinking about, all right, turning on my Mario Kart. And I've got 5 lives here. Going to hit Control R, remove drawing objects from yesterday. This area might be important. No, let's go ahead and remove it all. I'm going to start afresh here. Fresh assessment. On this chart, I am going to leave 1. That was a major from yesterday. Optimized range for the week. And today is Thursday. 10 minutes till the US Open. Let's get financial juice running here for audio news cues. Thank you, Eddie, for that reminder. Make sure real-time protection is off. And let's get the chat there on screen. Awesome. Good morning, Diego. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, Douglas. Good morning, Jimmy. Good morning, Plutonium. Wind Rider. Raimi, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Kazi. Good morning, Captain Rex. Good morning, Alex. All right, so keeping an eye here on the fiddle zone. We got... Oh, what do we got? What do we have right here? We got a big bear in there, don't we? All right, I'm gonna mark up the big bear. Big and a little. It's not a good sign starting out. Already got some struggles there on the PC there this morning. Sitting there just checking the properties to change that color to red. Oh, come on. That can't be good. Okay, that indicates to me my PC needs a reboot. That's not good. Oh, come on.
Oil Minister says OPEC are ready to offset any shortage in the market by rolling back the output cuts. Seeing some weakness in WTI crude here. Again, Kuwait's Oil Minister says OPEC are ready to offset any shortages in the market by rolling back output cuts.
Ah. All right, let me get NinjaTrader back online here. Still got about 7 minutes till the US Open. Let me think about what I need to do there as that comes back online. There's just want to make sure I mark up the big bear on the mid time frame there. All right, so ran the clearcache.bat there, so hopefully that should also help clearing data. And we'll get back going there. Let's try that again. I'd like to take a slap at that. What's our time here? 9:24. I got a 5.4, what looks like a power headshot there, but I'm gonna let the data come in here. We'll make sure that that's actually happening. Data is not completely loaded yet. Okay, got a switch dot there. I am gonna go a half position there. We are against strong buy there, so looking for a scalp target one scenario here. Open line just up above us from the overnight. Good morning, Ninja Scalp. All right, gonna hit Control R one more time. Remove all drawing objects. Remove all drawing objects. All right, and we've got Two big bears in here this morning. All right, that's how it should have done earlier. That's a, yeah, that was weird earlier, huh? Okay, let me save workspace. Just in case. There we go. All right, here in buyers on the tape. Open line. Above, right up there.
Enigma short on the NQ4.
Two minutes, 30 seconds to the open.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
All kinds of things lining up right here.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
One minute, 30 seconds till the open.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Oh, boo.
So 1 minute now, and we expect the market on open imbalance.
Got about 30 seconds to the open here.
Ten seconds.
Enigma short on the YM2.
Market on open imbalance, S&P 500, buy side 112 million, Nasdaq 100, buy side 5 million, Dow 30, sell side 45 million, Mag 7, buy side 9 million.
Okay, hopefully I got a 1, 2, 3 banger here. There's the pierce of the green dot for the entry of the banger there. Hoping that's going to come back for me. We've got the big bear here for needing to let the bear out. Top of that is going to be 25,000, which is right here.
NQ on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Upper bands.
And touchdown on the line. We'll take it right there. High time frame, red dot coming in there into the Enigma. Probably went the 100 ticks from the top, 140 ticks from the top. So bulls are not fully in control. If the bulls are fully in control, they would have only allowed that to go back about 100 ticks. It is the open line, so questionable. 932, big expansion.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Into a 5-3.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 8.
King timing.
NQ on the 4.
Jumping in. I've got the wrong size on my quantity here.
Divergence down NQ on the 40.
I'll grab another bag. Almost at 10K on that play. 4.9 came in over here on the right as well. Pretty easy, pretty close. I got a $400 superstition to 10K. Going to the superstition buster, turned on.
Enigma long on the Weiland NQ on the 40.
Big red dot, high time frame on the optimized range. Red dot, super dot with divergence. Listening for the sell side.
NQ on the 89.
Target filled. Target filled.
See if it can do it right here.
Target filled.
Nope. $400 superstition strikes again. No continuation follow through there. End up actually losing about 300 bucks on that huge push up right there.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Okay, let me get off Superstition Buster because I am more than 400 away. That is a Mega Late Nate. I'm going to give that one more shot here on the Mega Late Nate. And I'm going to close it out there for my 10K on the day. I will take it because we can make it. You know how we do.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk on. With you not here, it's just not on. I can't let go without you near me. I'm holding on your tricks, got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Enigma long on the NQ3.
Tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how.
All right, came down almost perfectly to the touch of that line. That's why we drew it there. Significant.
Double delta NQ on the 4. Enigma short on
Area there for that targeting originally. Biggest part of the play. P point still up above.
Double delta NQ on the
Okay, and they're just going to start handing out more candy. Here for it. Super AO, double reds, side by side. One of my, let's say my favorite plays, but I'm pretty much going to take that every single time if they're right next to each other.
upper bands touch NQ on the 40. Double delta NQ on the 40.
Delta shift. Key point just up above.
Enigma short on
Here in
the
popcorn
NQ.
all over the tape.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40. Double delta NQ on the
Double
40.
delta, DDSR.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 80. Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
Popcorn all over it. P point, red dot. Go full 40s. Well up on the day, over 10K. I'll put on the risk.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40. Divergence down NQ on the 9. Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
Divergence.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40.
4.8 on the optimized range right here.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 4. Enigma long on the GC2. Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, so that 4.8 is getting pushed straight through on this higher time frame. Parabolic scenario here, so I want to look for a triple crown for the perfect entry to the downside. Need to look for probably a double or triple crown up top.
Touch NQ on the 40. Fib.NQ on the 9.
Keep an eye on ES. ES just put in a double cross up top. Hopefully that is a DCR, and for it to point down as ES points, so NQ goes. ES tends to be the nose. ES pointing back up there.
Enigma short on the GC2.
AlgoBox showing trades. Every single day, scammers hiding in their holes, wasting your energy away. They're trying to hustle, trying to make a quick buck, but they're just snakes in the grass and you're out of luck. They'll promise you the world, but it's all a facade. They'll take your hard-earned cash and leave you feeling robbed. They'll talk a big game with their words so smooth, but behind the scenes
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Fib.NQ on the 4.
Trading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names, it's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady friend. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands, high in the air. Analyzing charts and graphs, it's a master plan. They can't withstand. I'm a trader on a mission with thousands in my hand. Using AlgoBox, I'm NinjaTrader. I'm playing the big game. I'm seeing all the scams like I see but I'm here to expose them with my trading scope. With my trading scope. Fading algorithms, I'm a beast in this game. No competition, I'm taking names, it's insane. Algorithmic precision, scammers feel the pain. Live streaming daily, exposing the shady frame. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. My live streams every day, taking on the market, I'm here to stay. Breaking the codes, unraveling the scam. With AlgoBox in my hands,
Upper bands NQ on the 4.
Wow, these bulls are insane. All right, so I'll get in on the bot
NQ on the 4.
on that, and holy shnikes.
Fib.NQ on the double delta NQ on the 9. Upper bands touch NQ on the 40. Double delta NQ on the 4.
So the S&P 500 extending gains out of the opening gates here. It's now up around spot.
Yeah, it is. You don't say. You don't say.
Was short on the NQ.
Double Enigma on the 3s right here on NQ. Double red Enigma on the 3s. I hope this is the downspout. They have left that double bear down there in the dust
NQ on the 4.
for now.
Bands touch NQ on the 40.
So the only good news for me at that moment is just that these guys are going to want to be allowed out. To be let out, they would have to touch here at 25,000, which is where we've drawn that line from before. Okay, high time frame, we just also put in a 3.7 delta shift. Wild open there this morning with just pressing the buy algorithm button there this morning, looks like at the open. Yes, finally pointing down solidly. Yay, hooray. Okay, monster bear come in 15 over 1500, 1600 on bear side. Gonna mark that up here. And then mark the 250 below it.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Wow. Look at that.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
What in the... All right. That is the weirdest, skinniest... What in the... So that means in 2 bars, little tiny 2 bars up there, it did that. I thought this is the whole leg. It's not. It's literally this little tiny thing up here. That did all of that right there. So that means there's a ton of sell right there too. For them to have picked up those orders, somebody had to sell to them. 15.8, 1, 2, 3. All right.
Divergence down NQ double on the 9. NQ on the 40. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
A non-stop buy shop here from the open. Holy shnikes. Still hear popcorn on the tape.
In 10 minutes time now, at the top of the hour, get the release of the Eurozone Consumer Confidence flash read. Forecast -15 on the prior -14 at spot 9. Now also keep in mind at the top of the hour, we are potentially seeing the release of the US existing home sales. So this data released by the NAR still have the event scheduled in their own calendar and haven't published any press announcement saying that it won't be released. But there is a bit of speculation because the NAR is a private company, but they get some of their information from this report from government sources. So it's still, again, a bit up in the air whether this release is coming out or not. There's no confirmation on the NAR website. They still say that it is coming out. So going ahead with this, existing home sales forecast 4.06 million on the prior 4 million, and the change forecast 1.5% on the prior -0.2%. So again, potential release of the existing home sales coming out at the top of the hour as well.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 40. Fib.NQ on the 4.
Oh wow. I mean, this is a This is a new type of market here, folks. That is wild. Literally having the samurai sword on the 89 to have to wait for a triple crown on the 89. Insane. Insane. And then in 2 bars there, they bought up 2,000. So this is an indigo zone now because it's both colors.
Double delta NQ.
Basically back to back right there in that delta shift. It is only 9:53. This open has felt like it was in slow motion all morning. It feels feels like we've been here a long time. It's literally not even close to 10 o'clock yet. We still have 7 minutes till 10. And as you kind of heard Financial Juice, they're saying that they may or may not have existing home sales numbers due to government shutdowns.
Enigma short on the NQ3.
Dude, are they going to keep pushing up here? Are you kidding me?
NQ on the 4.
Okay, 16.1. Enigma on the 3s. Come on, ES. Point down here for me now, bro.
NQ on the 4.
Get back to some sanity, shall we? $9.54. Still 6 minutes till 10 a.m. home sales. Or no sales.
Enigma short on the NQ3.
Was there an indication that this was occurring?
Upper bands touch.
I'm looking for it.
89.
I don't see it.
In 5 minutes time now, at the top of the hour, we see the release of the Eurozone Consumer Confidence October flash read. Forecast -15 on the prior -14.9. And again, at the top of the hour, we see the potential release of the existing home sales numbers. Forecast 4.06 million on the prior 4 million. Range is 4.2 to 3.94 million. And the change forecast 1.5.
The non-stop buy algorithm. Wild.
Delayed due to the government shutdown, as some areas of the data.
Look at this on the 89. Crazy.
Sources, though the industry that releases the data itself is private, as though it's unclear at this point.
Crazy.
Low impact news event consumer confidence. Medium impact news event existing home sales. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Still 2 minutes 30 seconds till the
Fib.NQ
home sales or no home sales numbers. Going to be interesting. 7.6 on the 89 print. This is a new type of market, folks. Wild.
Divergence of NQ on the 9.
Let's see if they hold the 100 ticks. It went 116. It didn't hold it to 100. So they normally, in normal market conditions, what I have seen over and over again is they'll hold it to that 100 tick and they'll hold. If they don't, then they don't have full control. But at this point, you know, I don't even know. Don't have to try to anticipate, but got to use experience at some point.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
So normally if bulls are going to hold control, they've got to hold that pullback off of a high by around 100 ticks. Right now 116. 9.7 popcorn all the way through. High speed to the upside. 10 a.m. There's 10 a.m. right now. So was there news? Was there not news? Going to listen in here to Financial Juice, see what they tell us here on whether they had home sales numbers or not.
And Eurozone consumer confidence minus 14.2, minus 14.2, slightly delayed release there.
So he said delayed release, but the private company that does normally run those numbers did release, it sounds like to me. At least that's what I caught. Did you guys catch that? That's what I kind of understood.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 40. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Double delta NQ on the 40. Double delta NQ on the 4.
So we have posted the US existing home sales September reports and the Eurozone Consumer Confidence October reports on the feed for those interested.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 4.
Well, gonna see if this pink dot holds here on the 9s.
Two finger NQ on the 40.
Feels like there is something else in it.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Two finger NQ on the 40.
Mr. Price says liftoff 25, 150. Happy time. Big bull. I mean, there's definitely a giant bull right back here in this little indigo zone there. So when it's super skinny like that, that means that happened within three bars. So exuberant buying right there. Odd. I mean, it's literally a switch there where you had
Enigma short on the
a
NQ3.
platter of sellers and then they just ate that right back up. Literally just massive bull just steps right in three little bars. Do you see it? How narrow that is? That means it was 3 bars with three little towers there straight up. That means within 3 bars they were able to collect 1,000, which also still means there was a lot of selling right there, but they just literally just picked it right up. In that indigo zone. 12.5 Enigma on the 3s. Yeah. I didn't see a big bull pre-market though. Are you saying you saw one pre-market?
Fib.NQ.
Because I saw that coming in pre-market overshoot. Also, I don't know about that.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Yeah,
Double
sure.
delta NQ on the 4.
940.
Delta NQ on the 4.
About that. Mr. Price is right. Knows. He knows.
Touch NQ on the 40.
Mr. Price is right.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
So we got about 4 minutes till 10:10.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 40. bands touch NQ on the 40. Lower bands touch NQ on the 40.
Guardy says ran the bot to 1K and closed it up. Very nice, sir. Very nice.
Divergence up NQ on the 9.
$110 test probably now. 110. Okay. 110. I'd love that. I'm gonna mark up the Price is Right level. He said right here. I'm down with it. The Price is Right hath spoken. Oops. Okay, yeah, I was gonna try to make that a little bit thicker, but
Double delta NQ on the 4.
all right, I'm closing up my NQ on the bot. There, came back down to my POE. I'm just kill that one. We got about 2 minutes till coffee time. ES, keeping an eye on the ES. As ES points, so NQ goes. Let's see. First time those golden ropes are starting to pinch together there on ES. We talked about the Triple Crown setup there. 1, 2, and you have 3 on this time frame. We'll find out if that's all it was going to give, but that $400 superstition, man, thing is lit, is legit. We saw it, $400 away from 10K. Then I end up, yes, I get over 10K, but I kept in the game and just being overly confident and stubborn once I had already put in 10K on the day, and now I am literally in negative territory on the day. Super annoying. Super annoying.
House Minority Leader Jeffries says conversations with Republicans have been limited. Currently, Minority Leader Jeffries is speaking to Bloomberg TV.
2-finger NQ on the 40. Fib.NQ on the 4.
All right, about 10 seconds from 10:10. Mr. Price is Right. You calling 110? Holy shnikes. You're a legend. Scholar and a gentleman, sir. Hey, thanks for participating with us, by the way. It's great having you around, my friend. All the way into the indigo zone. All the way in.
Delta NQ on the 4. Lower bands touch NQ on the 40.
There's your 110. Captain Price is Right. Strikes again. He was right.
Enigma short on the NQ3.
All right, it's 10:10 coffee time, folks. Not a lot to learn from this other than be cautious. You never know when some wild move is going to come in. It is 10:10, and we didn't get to, one of these days we'll get to 100 likes before 10 a.m. maybe. We'll see. All right, I'll catch you guys potentially this afternoon. If not, see you guys tomorrow morning. It will be Friday tomorrow. Y'all have a good one. See ya.